We are now at Eugenia Falls in Eugenia, Ontario, still in Grey County. From this vantage point, it's not a very good view of the falls. You can see it about right there. And as we walk along here, you get to see some more of it. And you can see that it is a long way down. There are some better views along the path, so that's where we're headed right now. This is a better view of the falls, but it's quite a distance away now. Since the last time we were here, I believe the trees have grown up a little. But we'll see if we can't find a better view. From where I'm standing is probably the best view of the falls, but due to all the rain, I'll back up a bit. The whole lookout area is a little lake, and I'm sure it's deeper than I want to walk into to get wet feet. So you could just barely see the falls through the trees there. But that would have been the vantage point. As you can see, I kind of cheated here because of the lake. I climbed over the wall. You only have a couple of feet here before it's a long way drop off. So we'll hang on dearly. That wasn't so bad. I didn't realize the wall ended here. Silly me. Would have been easier than climbing over the wall. But anyway, you can see the lake that has formed from all the rain. I managed to scoot over the wall, but this camera actually doesn't give you a close-up like you would like to see. For what it's worth, Eugenia Falls. It's so wet in here that we got some fungus among us. Strange looking. So quiet and peaceful in here. Just listening to the ripple of the water. Here we have goldenrod. It's in bloom. Lots of people are allergic to this. Gives them the runny noses and the sneezes.